I'm Nicole from Adorn the Table. Today I want to share with you a very quick and simple Christmas vignette that you can put on your dining table or maybe a buffet. I use everything from Target. I'm not a Target sponsor, but I walked through the dollar spot at Target, fell in love with what they have right now, and needed to create and share this with you as soon as possible. So I'm going to show you how to create it, and then you can do it yourself. All right, to get started on this Christmas vignette, the very first thing I'm going to do is lay down this really cute, it's almost like sweater material runner from Hearth and Hand. Just love the cozy feel of it. I'm going to run that down the center of my buffet. Of course, if you're doing this on your dining room table, just put the runner down the middle of your buffet table. Then in the middle of that, I found this awesome rustic tray, again from Hearth and Hand. Just love the big chunkiness of it, and it's just a gorgeous piece. So I'm going to put that right in the middle of my table. From there, I'm going to take a placemat, red and white striped placemat that I found at Target. Just has that, again, kind of rustic, cozy feel to it. I'm going to put that in my tray, and I'm going to put it at a bit of an angle, not lined up with the runner. That's giving you some visual interest already to this vignette. So before I get started creating this Christmas vignette, I needed to share with you the inspiration for it. First, I saw this cute little house, and then sitting next to it were these cute wooden snowmen. They had, let's see, nutcrackers and gnomes as well, but I really liked the snowmen. Putting these two next to each other started the inspiration for this Christmas vignette. I then looked around Dollar Spot, found more things that I'm going to share with you, and let's build this Christmas vignette right now. So the very first thing I'm going to put on my vignette is a really cute small cake plate. Oh my gosh, how cute is it with this red rim? Can you imagine that with milk and cookies on it? Oh, adorable. I'm going to lay that on my tray on the red and white striped placemat. You can already see how cute these two go together. Then I'm going to add my little house, and I'm going to put one snowman on one side. I'm going to put the other snowman on the other side. Kind of make it maybe a little off center. Let's see, maybe something like that. Okay. Then the next thing I found were all these trees. Aren't they adorable? And the neat thing is you can actually move the branches. They're wire branches, so you can have them go any direction you want. I think that looks pretty good. But the real thing, look at this. You can turn them on and they light up. Can you imagine at night how cute that will be on your table? I'm just going to sit it maybe a little bit behind. Let's see. Oh, here we go. I think that's going to look really cute right there, just like that. As I was looking around the Dollar Spot, I found these green candle photos, and I thought they just looked really nice next to the green on these trees, kind of helped tie that color together. It's pretty cute right now, but it really needs some filler. And Target Dollar Spot has these pine cone and berry fillers. I picked the white and green one because I thought it would look really cute with my vignette. So I'm just going to take and start placing those around and in this vignette. Let's see, let's try something like this. And maybe we'll take this and put it here. Oh my gosh, that's looking cute, isn't it? Okay, well, let me finish this and I will be right back. There we go. Isn't that freaking cute? Gotta love Target's Dollar Spot and creating a cute, simple Christmas vignette. Have a wonderful holiday.